Well, I guess I have to go.
Not this again. Don't you remember last year and the bear incident?
I do, but I really have to go.
Well, after last year's catastrophe, I brought along something you really will like.
Can it wait? I really have to go.
Okay, King of the Woods, here is your very own throne. It's a Thetford porta potty. I got it ready to go in no time. Thetford porta potty is clean, sanitary, and convenient. Wherever you are, you're never without a toilet.
That's what I'm talking about. What a pleasant experience. It even has a built-in toilet paper holder.
Sure beats the woods and the bears.